Hello YouTube. Today we have the Craftsman 18-piece set socket set from Craftsman. We got the metric and we got the standard. I've used these for quite a while, no complaints. It's a real nice socket set. Maybe if I flip it over. Craftsman, made in the USA. You can tell the excellent machine crafts from Craftsman. All smooth edges. All smooth edges. It's a Craftsman products. What else can I say? We got these used on eBay. I forgot what I paid for these, but I bought them used, and I had them for a few months now, and they work quite well. I try not to use these a lot. I use mostly my my Harbor Freight sockets, but every once in a while I'll take them out and use it. As you know, I'm not a professional mechanic, but once in a while I'll take them out and use them. Had no complaints. This is the original package. Made in the USA, obviously, because not everything's made in the USA now. I don't know if you guys know that. Some stuff is made in, I don't know if it's made in China or Taiwan, but it's not made in the USA anymore. Not all the stuff, at least. Not like the good old days. And this is the other one. This is the standard. Alright, we on the standard we got the 3/8, 7/16, half an inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8. That's for the for the standard. And the metric we got, let's see, let me find it. Okay, we got the 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Total of 18 pieces. If you guys got any questions about these, you guys probably know how. You guys probably heard so many great things about these. You know, it's, and again, if they do break, they do have a lifetime guarantee with Craftsman. This is my quick review on these sockets. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon. And we'll see you in the next one.